So I know I've never done anything like this on my channel before, but today I'm going to be unboxing some Yeezys. You might see a video like this again in the future if I get lucky, but today I'm unboxing some Yeezys. I got lucky and I just wanted to show. Unboxing some Yeezys. I know this is a different video from what I'm usually recording, but for some reason I just got lucky and I got to snag a pair. I've been actually dying to get these in the slides and finally I got them. So today is April 1st. I ordered them, I believe, last Friday, so it's like April 26th, I believe, or last Saturday, April 26th they came out. Got them on Adidas.ca/Yeezy, and for some reason I've been having problems with the Adidas site for a little while. Every time I would log in it would crash or it would say sold out in the same minute that they launched. Like for the last month I've been trying to get a whole bunch of Yeezy drops. I believe the day before the Keontaes came out and I couldn't get those either. I would also go on Yeezy Supply website. I've tried the Google Chrome thing where you open separate tabs and do it private. I just can never get through. Like even when I get through the Yeezy Supply website, it'll say, we track this to a bot or an unknown website, and for safety reasons we're not letting you in. It has to be fair for everybody. And I just kept seeing that and I just gave up hope. Even on the Essence website, I would log in at 10 o'clock, they'd be sold out already. Like didn't even give me a chance. Like I'd be on there 9:55, 9:30, nothing. It's like as soon as they drop on Essence, they're sold out. Didn't make sense. So finally, I was like, no, I have to have these, have to have these. They were sold out, sold out, sold out. So every time I kept refreshing and refreshing, I was on there from like 9:30, 10 o'clock came, I kept refreshing, said sold out, sold out. I refreshed and finally it's like, pick a size. I was like, oh my God. So finally, all that was left was 7 and 13. I was like, fuck, I need the 7. So I got the 7, even though in Yeezys I'm a 7.5 because I'm like a woman's 9. I was like, you know what, just get them. They're slides, it shouldn't be too bad. So I got the 7 and every time I added it to cart it said sold out, sold out, sold out. Like maybe for 5 minutes I was trying to get it in my Adidas cart. And then finally I'm in my cart, I'm adding my credit card info, trying to check out, and then it keeps saying sold out, sorry, you can't purchase, you can't purchase. Keep hitting purchase with my credit card in, like maybe 50 times I must have pressed it. And then finally I got a screen, thank you for your order. I was like, woo! So that's like my story with Yeezys. They're actually so hard to get. I'm happy I got these. I either really wanted, these were my top 5. I wanted the slides, these, and then the Keontaes, if that's how you say them. I am going to try again at the end of April and May. I believe the blue ones to the foams are coming out. And also, I believe it's orange, tan, and like a brown slides at the end of April or May. And I always check sneaker news and stuff like that. Sign up to Adidas website and Yeezy website to get all the info on the drops. I watched a couple guys on YouTube too that say, you know, do the Chrome thing, make a new browser every time, add your credit card info to different tabs. Tried it all, nothing worked. The only thing that really worked for me was Adidas.ca/Yeezy website. So these are the foam runners. I actually really like them. The original ones are white and I believe these are the sand color. And like I said, I got these in a US 7. So they fit me like kind of snug. Like I'm not going to complain, but like I really need a 7.5. I am going to keep these. I'm not going to sell them because I actually really love them. My boyfriend hates them, but even better. But the only thing I could say about these is like right here, it kind of hurts my ankle, like on the outside. Other than that, they are so comfy. It literally feels like you're walking on a cloud. But you know, like Instagram literally sold these to me. Every girl has them on with cute little outfits and I was like, I need these. So I finally got them. I paid, I believe, $134 Canadian with tax and everything. They came in like 3 days. And I did notice there are a few Instagram boutiques that are selling dupes to these and like playoff versions. I know like in the sneakerhead community, like you're trash if you buy dupes or fakes. But I paid $134 for these and these are going for like $450 on StockX and all of those sites. So if you're like me and you're on a budget and you want a pair of playoff ones, like, to be honest, if I didn't get these, I was probably gonna get the fake ones. Not even gonna lie, they just look cute, they're hard to get, nobody's paying $500 for these. But I do know a couple of Instagram boutiques that have them. I believe Ego has them. I will leave a link down below to these on StockX and Ego, and I believe they're like $30 US on Ego, and they have so many different colors. They also have the playoff slides. I'll leave everything down below. But yeah, these are the foam runners, and these are in the color sand. I am gonna wear them tonight, so I'll try and take a video of them on my feet and how they fit with socks. So thank you so much for watching. Do me a favor and just subscribe.